Oh, they have actually given them, they have separated the layers, so the installation should be somewhat difficult now. So here is the central alignment one, and here is the two left and right layers you have to apply. I think first we can install this one with the camera layout, then we can go with this. So I will see you after the installation, because I can't install this on camera. Then I will explain how did I install this step by step. So first let's go to the installation part. This is it guys, after the installation. So it is really looking fabulous, and I can't promise you that it gives the exact look of the concept one. Anyhow, it gives an addressable look. You can see the look is only thing is we got a bump here over here, but in the concept one we won't have a bump. It will be flushed inside with that ND filter or the electrochromatic panel that shuts off the camera while not in use. So you can see the detailing is really great guys. So I have chosen this as a fabric and this is as a leather one. So as per my choice, they have provided it correctly. The logo alone I got it as a white marble color. You could see that. So you may be thinking that this is a perfect fit, but actually this is not a 100% perfect fit. There are several flaws over the sides and the edges. Anyhow, I didn't face any serious issues on working on it. I was felt very easy while installing the A50 skin from the Capes India, but this time it was really tough. It took me around 15 to 20 minutes to install the skin. So first of all, I will give you the instruction how to install. First you have to install the center part. You should not go with the side one, because if you go with the side one then you will be confused and there will be several flaws that time because of the cross layering or something. So first go ahead with the center one with aligning with the camera bump and the logo. You have to align with that. After aligning with this, you have to go it straightly towards the OnePlus logo that will be present over here. You have to align it correctly over the edge. After that, take the left area part and align them properly and move them this side. You will be getting some flaws over the edges, just leave it, don't worry about it. You need a hot air gun or a hair dryer to get rid of the edges properly. Then this side the same procedure. Then the logo, I think you may know how to install the logo by yourself. It is pretty much easier. You can see the detailing now. You see the leather finish, the texture over the leather. This doesn't have much texture, but this has the exact same texture how the concept one had. The finishing is really great guys. I think it is really worth to get this case, see the skin. And only thing I have to again tell is, this is not a perfect skin for protection. So this is like a look, just for look perspective. This is just for a look perspective only. You should not assume this is a great protection for your device. I will surely recommend you to use a case, because the front is the really important here. It has a curved screen and those things is required. So I prefer you using the stock case, the transparent case. Still looks good under the stock case also, because that's pretty transparent one. But it doesn't feel much slippy now. The earlier one had the glass, that almond color glass was really slippy. So you can't ever use it without the case because of the slippiness itself. But now it is not much slippier. Now it's really having some grip over this texture also. But anyhow, for protection of your screen, you must go with the case also. So this is how it looks. I think you like that. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel for latest videos, and we will be doing lots of stuff like this. So thanks for watching. See you later. Another thing is, I will be putting the link in the description of the Capes India website. You can go and get the skin for all your OnePlus devices except 3 and 3T and 5 and 5T. Even the OnePlus 6, 6T and 7, 70, 7 Pro, 70 Pro, all these models are getting the skin. So you can go and check it also. I'll put the link in the description. It will be easy for you. So that's it guys. See you later. Goodbye.